All YouLi accounts come with a free shop, which is where listed public trips appear. When you're ready to embed these on your website and you've upgraded, you can click to integrate with website and copy for your shop. Here's what that looks like on an example website. This is Rare Air Himalayan Travel. She runs beautiful experiences to Bhutan, and all she had to do was embed that script one time, and now anytime she needs to make a change, for example, change your dates to the future, she does it on YouLi with one click, and they appear here automatically. It's really easy for her travelers to click in and explore. Once they fall in love with an experience, they can express interest, or they can keep exploring by going back to her website. That's because YouLi is an extension of your website, making it very easy for you and your travelers to focus on the trips instead of the technology. Now that's the end of our journey in the Welcome series today. Just remember, you can always jump into support and ask us any questions that we haven't already answered. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all the exciting changes we're making constantly.